Alright, so there's this music genre from the fucking Dominican Republic. It's called Bachata and it's bad. I mean, it's like really, really bad. It's horrible. If you think about it, I don't want to get ahead of myself. I want to preface all this by saying that I'm too old to be hating, you know what I'm saying? Like, being a little kid on an Xbox Live and all shit. Oh yeah, it's funny because I hate everything all shit. Nah, this is like actual childhood trauma that I had. Always hated on this fucking genre. Since I was a kid, you know what I'm saying? Spanish grew up in that shit, playing that shit, parties and all shit. This genre is fucking horrible. Alright, so let me explain why this shit's fucking stupid. So I got three major issues with this genre. First one is that, so they got this one bass line, right? And across all these years and all these artists, they all use the same stupid fucking bass line. It sounds like I'll play some random shit and it's not cherry pick. You know, if you want to test it out for yourself, be my guest. You got thousands of these songs. Oh no, it's so bad. Why is it so bad? Ew, it's so bad. I hate it. Ew. I fucking hate this shit. I know a lot of music genres got tropes, reoccurring shit. Like, people like to make fun of reggaeton because the drums, oh, they sound the same. It's different when, because they can change the sound selection. And bachata is just always the same stupid ass instruments. And even if they were to change the sound selection and the bass line, it wouldn't fall under the category bachata because it doesn't sound like every other song. So basically the genre is doomed to just be the same fucking shit. I hate this genre so much, man. It's so bad. The second reason why I hate this shit is these motherfucking bongo rolls, you know what I'm saying, man? Like, this is what it sounds like. I'm just gonna play it. Shit just makes me so angry. It just sounds like fucking spiders just crawling all over me. It just, ugh, it's fucking disgusting. In what world does anybody listen to that and be like, oh yeah, that makes my ears feel good? I'd rather listen to two pieces of styrofoam rubbing up against each other than listen to this shit. And hey, I fuck with the bongos, but this is just fucking annoying. Alright, the third reason why I hate it, this is negligible because it's like up in the air, right? It's because I can understand what they're talking about. And the whole genre is just basically being like a simp, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna translate some of these lyrics. Alright, so anyways, who fucking cares? I'm just gonna make this fucking beat. Alright, I'm gonna sample like the most annoying song that I had in my life. People will not stop playing this shit. Alright, so whip this shit out. I'm not even gonna do any stem, none of that shit. That's how I'm doing it right now. Just get the audio file, put in Edison, and I'm gonna do this little technique, right? So I'm gonna get my slice first, and I'm gonna do this with this like baby's first sample beat. I used to do this shit. I don't even know. Nobody taught me how to do this. I just figured it out by accident. So if you like slice this shit in Edison, and if you play it on the MIDI keyboard, you could just like play some little chops and shit. I know it's probably better on a Slice 6, but I don't fucking care about Slice 6. Alright, so that sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. I gotta put some effects on this though. Trying to tell you people about the different types of reverbs, you know what I'm saying? Just the plate one, I can name at least like 2 songs. They got some nice plates on it. Doing like the same shit on there, just gonna flip around the presets. Alright, that's cool. Just gonna add a bunch of different melodies on top of that shit now. Alright, so I can fuck with this, but I'ma sample myself. Cause I fuck with it, but I don't really fuck with it that much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bounce through real quick, and then I'm just gonna press a button. So, alright, this shit sound good. Other than that, I'm gonna do these drums and shit. Man, I don't know about you, but that shit sound pretty good. Might as well put some arcade on it. Fuck it.